I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering up the Ps4 and getting straight to network settings. This avoids extra waiting. Once there, select Setup Internet Connection and pick the connection type you already use, Wi-Fi or LAN. Next, choose Custom so you can view and edit DNS. Make sure you know whether your router uses DHCP or a static IP, because that decides whether you leave IP address settings on automatic or enter values manually. This first action gets you where DNS values can be set. Once you reach DNS settings, switch from automatic to manual so you can type in addresses. Now enter the primary DNS first, then the secondary DNS. Use public DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or Cloudflare 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 for speed and reliability. After typing each field, confirm and proceed through MTU and proxy settings by leaving defaults unless you have different values. This step changes how your Ps4 resolves domain names, which often fixes slow stores or connection errors. Finish by running test internet connection inside network settings so you can see IP, DNS, and NAT information immediately. If the test fails or you see slow name resolution, reboot the router and Ps4, then test again. Make sure you type DNS numbers correctly. If problems continue, swap to another public DNS or revert to automatic to confirm the issue is DNS related. Finally, if DNS still misbehaves, check router settings, firewall rules, or contact your ISP because they may be filtering DNS traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.